Well, the dogs are ready to go bye-byes on a road trip. Woo!
We are all packed up. We just disconnected our poop hose and our water hose. We took the stabilizers down. And now we're ready to pull the RV out and pull the car in.
Hello.
And hit the road.
It's travel day.
Woo! It's fun because we actually get to travel together in the RV. We're just taking it to a family's house in South Carolina. So we're not bringing the car, so we get to ride together in the RV.
We don't get to do that very often, which is awesome.
So we just kind of wanted to film our travel day, let you know what we're up to. We're gonna stop and get our tire pressure checked and filled before we get on the road. So that will be our first stop, and then probably to get some gas.
Maybe some food. Who knows?
Yeah.
All right, come along with us.
Let's go do it. We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
Our site is all packed up, and hopefully Lucy will get us there nice and safely. You gonna be Mama's co-pilot today? Yeah? You ready to go? Cody is always down for a road trip.
Alrighty, we are here getting our tires filled up with some air right in Weir's Valley. Cody's ready to roll.
Tire pressure is one of the most important things when driving an RV.
Yeah.
Especially this is our house. The last thing we need is a blowout.
Right, especially driving through the mountains.
Exactly. So anytime before a long drive, we always come in and make sure.
We are on the road. We got our tires filled up, so we're as safe as we possibly can be.
We got breakfast.
We stopped at Shaggy Moose and got some
Shaggy Moose coffee.
Breakfast, sandwiches, and some coffee. Cody's down here with us. And Smeckery is laying down on the couch. We are traveling. We try to stow everything away as well as possible so we don't have any accidents on the inside.
At least you're here with me.
Yes, we don't often get to travel in the RV together. I'm usually driving the car with one of the dogs, and Kim drives the RV.
So Cody's mad you're taking his seat.
Yeah, I know. Cody's like, how dare you? I'm sorry, Code. I'm sorry, Code.
But at least you can investigate if there's any crazy noises.
Yes, if anything comes flying out of the cabinets or falls over, I can run to the rescue. And we're lucky that we're not lucky, but we planned it this way, that we're heading out today before the weather gets rough here in East Tennessee.
It's gonna get freezing, it may snow, we may miss the first snow.
Yeah, that would be a bummer, but at the same time, you know, we have to be as safe as we can, so we're trying to beat the weather and celebrate Christmas. What a beautiful view of these Smoky Mountains. It really is so pretty. It's a pretty day today. We got blue skies.
I was just glad it wasn't raining when we were trying to pack up.
Thank the Lord. We have had times before when we go to leave and we have rain or everything's frozen or something. So far so good. We're just praying to the Lord for a safe trip today. Hopefully no traffic or accidents or anything like that. But it's fun getting to travel together as a family. We're almost to North Carolina.
We're on the 40, heading towards Asheville. The river's right next to us. This is where we always go whitewater rafting at.
Yeah, right down there. The window's dirty. Sorry, that's a bunch of dog slobber all over the window. But the sky is looking beautiful.
The trees are looking ugly.
Yeah, our last drive through here was beautiful fall colors, and now it's quite dreary, but we got the river right over here.
Yeah, the fall drive was a lot better than this one.
Yeah.
Winter's ugly with no snow. We made it!
Welcome to North Carolina.
It's crazy We literally just passed the spot. We go whitewater rafting when we get put in.
Yeah, I didn't realize that we're literally right on the line.
Yeah. Yep. But we got like 2 hours and 42 minutes left.
2 hours and 42 minutes. Can you handle it, lady?
I can handle it.
I haven't driven Lucy yet.
Lucy's doing
Zach's up here.
Lucy's doing very well.
She's a good girl. And Cody is laying down on the couch. Hi, Cody. You having fun, Cody? Yeah.
They keep switching spots.
Yeah, they're playing musical seats. It's tunnel time, baby!
Tunnel time!
We love a tunnel.
Who's gonna honk? Am I gonna get any honk?
I don't know, don't speed though. Woo! Happy road trip, y'all!
Merry Christmas! I don't hear no one else honking. Just me.
Lamos.
Nobody honked.
I don't know if there was anybody else in there with us.
There's a whole bunch of people behind us.
Okay. We love a tunnel. So crazy seeing all these like ice drippings down the mountains.
Oh, it's icicles.
It's so cool.
We did have some icicles hanging off the RV the other day.
Yeah. But look at all these semi trucks over here. There's a little bit of traffic on the other side, and it's everybody's Christmas presents.
Truck after truck after truck after truck.
I guess Santa needed some help this year.
This is crazy. And we've been watching this for a few minutes.
Yeah. It's like a long bit.
We did get stuck in a little bit of traffic, but nothing like that, Nate.
Yeah, it was only a few minutes, thank the Lord. So far, not too shabby. Sorry, I'm bouncing.
It said Hot Springs, 1 mile.
Oh, let's go to the hot spring.
Ooh, what's that?
Yeah, figure it out. South Carolina, baby. Sorry for the bumping. Welcome to Spartanburg County.
South Carolina. We're on 26, and this road is definitely not the best.
Yeah, we've already hit some rough roads. RV bouncing all over the place. But everything's stayed put so far.
Hey guys, we made it.
Woo!
We stopped filming because it got dark and raining. And yeah, it's the next day. It's freezing here now, but highly recommend not getting to your destination in the dark.
Yeah, especially when you're traveling an RV and you have to try to set up in the dark in the rain. Not fun. I mean, our plans were to make it here before it got dark, but it just didn't happen. We had to get gas and traffic stuff. So make sure you give yourself plenty of time, which we really didn't do, I guess you could say. But I mean, everything worked out.
Yeah.
We're set up in the driveway. We're mooch docking. We're stealing the electricity and the Wi-Fi from Brian's house.
Thanks, bro.
We didn't hook up any water or anything like that because we just used their showers and everything. So we just hooked up with our electricity. We can only use 15 amps is all we can pull in from the house. From the plug that we have. They obviously don't have a setup for a 30 amp RV, but we can make that work. So
yeah, yeah, everybody is experiencing this winter storm. I think they maybe got a little snow last night in Tennessee. We might have missed it, unfortunately, but don't think it's gonna snow here. But it's been freezing. We spent last night in the RV. It was super windy. You could literally feel the RV like shaking back and forth. Like I would get to sleep and then all of a sudden feel it and wake up again. Like
we were rocking.
Yeah, the wind is, and when it's really windy out, you can definitely feel it inside the RV. It's something that we didn't take into consideration before we started living in the RV.
Yes. It definitely is. It can be a little intimidating, especially the sound sometimes. It's just like the sound is like you feel like you're just gonna fly away. And today it's 28 degrees, but the feels like is 16 with the wind.
And we're in Columbia, South Carolina.
Yeah, it's super cold.
So I can't imagine what the people in the north are experiencing right now.
Everybody's having like the coldest winter in decades. So it's pretty crazy. We hope everybody's staying warm and staying safe.
But thanks for experiencing our travel day with us, guys.
It was fun. It was long. The boys survived. They did very well. And we're happy to be here with the family for Christmas.
For sure. So this is our setup here in my brother's driveway. It literally fits perfectly.
Yeah, Lucy fits like perfect.
We don't even have to actually level here. It's nice on this side of the driveway. But yeah, it's awesome that we get to bring our house anywhere that we want to go. My dad and my stepmom are actually here too with their dog. They're staying in the house. My brother's got 4 kids, so we got a full house here for Christmas. I'm so glad that we could all be here together with my family, and we're glad you're here too, Aaron. Aaron is part of our family as well.
Duh.
It would feel weird if you weren't here with us, but I'm sorry you're not down with your family.
One day.
One day. It's hard.
Yeah, especially with the dogs trying to, you know, split up sometimes isn't the easiest.
Nope. So head inside and show you the pups.
Get out of this cold.
Yeah. It's been rainy and gross. We've been dragging in mud and grass and everything.
Dirt.
We got our space heater going.
Yeah, it's necessary today, that is for sure.
Say hi, Codes. They are here in their sweaters.
Yeah.
We had them inside earlier today. My brother has a little protective dog, so they don't get along the best.
Yeah, so we have to keep them kind of separated. But it works out that we have their house for them to be in. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Are you stealing sips, madam?
You having fun, Aaron?
Yeah.
Making all the chocolate covered pretzels
They're so salty and sweet,
while drinking a blueberry margarita.
which is delicious.
Say hi, Ollie. Ollie. Ollie, say hi to the people. Say hi. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Ollie is like a year old. He's a Cane Corso. And he's a little protective against my dog, so they can't be together. But he's so sweet. He's so sweet, right? You can have my pretzel. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you are a good boy.
Get out of there! Oh! Anybody 16 or 6?
Only Joe.
It's over. Joe, yeah, it's over here. You can play wherever you want, Joe.
You playing with Daisy?
Yeah.
This is my dad's dog. We're hanging out. We're playing pool all together. Joe's playing Golden Tee. You're so fun. These kids are spoiled. They have every single game system. All these TVs, game systems. They're spoiled. I love them.
We're trying to warm up in here in Brian's kitchen, making Christmas cookies.
Cookie making time.
What are you making, Kim?
These are just like sugar cookies with M&Ms in them.
Mini M&Ms.
Yeah, mini like green and red M&Ms.
Yeah, and we're doing a propane oven. They got a brand new oven going on. We're getting some propane baking practice.
I think I want to move this rack though.
Okay. Got a full house. Merry Christmas!
Can I help you? Can I help you, Ollie? You're being a good boy. Yeah, at the moment you're being a good boy.
He's looking for scraps.
He's looking for some peanut butter balls.
Yeah.
We're dipping some Buckeyes. Melting up some chocolate here. A little double boiler. I'm about to dip them. Our sugar cookies are in the oven. And we're having fun. Here's some of the chocolate covered pretzels that we made. This is only like about half of them left. They've been destroyed. Yeah. The fam's hanging out. Playing pool. We're having a good time. Say, go Dolphins. Are we going to win tomorrow? Yes. We better win. We better win. Say hello to Kevin.
The coolest bird you'll ever meet.
He's so cool. He's a pineapple green cheeked conure. Thank you, Ollie.
It's okay, Ollie.
Oh, he's very protective over the bird. If we get close to the bird, he's not the biggest fan.
It's okay.
Kevin.
It's okay. Hi, Kevin.
It's okay, Ollie. It's okay. Ooh, he's dancing back and forth. Yeah. Say hi, Kevin. Say hi. Okay, okay. How's the Buckeyes going?
They're cute.
We're dipping the balls.
Dipping the balls.
The chocolate balls. Chocolate peanut butter. Yes. Alright, taste test my M&M cookies. How are they? They're the best thing you ever had in your life?
Fantastic.
Fantastic? Alright, we got all the presents wrapped. We got our milk and cookies for Santa. It's Christmas Eve.
It is.
And we're ready for Santa.
Yes, and my allergies are going insane.
Sorry. And it's freezing here in the
quite
RV.
cold.
We are surviving the winter storm though with our space heaters.
Yes, they're doing the trick.
And we're dressed nice and warm.
Yes, we're definitely got our long johns on, our sweatpants out. We got all the things. But thank you so much for hanging out with us of our hodgepodge of travel day and spending time with family. Tomorrow it's Christmas. We might film a little bit for that, so stay tuned.
Maybe.
So, you know, we'll see how it goes. But we do appreciate all of you, and we hope you're enjoying your holidays and everybody is warm and safe.
And we hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, y'all.
Thank you all for all your support.
Yes.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Are you boys ready for Santa? Is Santa gonna come bring you presents?
We put out your milk and cookies, so
Yeah.
Santa will come bring you presents.
We put out the milk and cookies.
Cody's ready.
Oh, Cody's ready? You ready for your present? You got
Yeah, wait.
one more sleep. One more sleep.
Code.